Sulok.
Hi guys, so nakimo day mi kag morning. Ganyan kami nagbalik. Balen na. 1, 2, 3. Wait lang.
Wait lang. Dahil di ba kay mawala na ko na.
But one day. Asking why there even Christmas. People asking why there even Christmas. Happy holiday. Don't forget the Christ that made the world. Don't forget the Christmas. The Christmas is for God. The Christmas is amazing holiday. Water, air, trees and food. This is made by God, the Savior of us all. Through or trials, through or trials. People asking why is there even Christmas? People asking why is there even Christmas? Happy holiday, happy holiday. Salamat.
So, dahil laki na babay. Oo. Photo good.